Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to curl the ends of your mermaid braids to give them that soft, flowy and beautiful finish. If you have ever wanted your braids to look extra magical, then this is for you. First, I'll be sectioning the ends of the braids and then I'll comb them out nicely. I'm going to comb them out very well so that I won't, attachments, sometimes there's a lot of knots when you finish doing it. So just to untangle it, I'm going to make sure I comb them out very, very well, thoroughly, just like you see me doing. Then when I finish combing the hair, I'm going to apply this product I'm using right now is leave-in conditioner. Yes, I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner all over the braids, all over the attachments, the parts that are still left. Then I'm just going to use my hand and rub it in properly and make sure everything soaks into it. Then I'm going to comb it one more time. You're going to see why I'm doing this. But this process, trust me, it's something you want to do. Then when I'm done, I'm going to be pouring hot water on the hair. Yes, I've not started the coiling yet, but this is part of the process. This is going to make the hair look more silky. Like you see, I pour hot water on the attachment. By the time you finish doing this and you comb it out, you see the attachment, the hair already looks nice. It's all already coming out really nice. So this process is something I never skip when I'm making this type of hair for my clients. You make sure every part of the hair goes into the hot water. Okay, please, if you've watched to this point of the video, can you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to reach my 4,000 watch hours and your like. I think all my rods, I don't know how I lost them, so I don't really have much. That's why I'm doing. If I had more rods right now available, I would have phoned on lesser than I did. But since I didn't have rods around, I had to just compromise and do this. But regardless, your coils is always going to come out looking fine. So I'm just going to wrap the hair around the rod, just like that. You see how beautiful that looks. I'm going to wrap the hair around the rod, and I'm going to do this for each and every braid. Make sure you wrap it tightly around the flexi rods, because the way you do this process will also determine what your coil will come out looking like. Make sure you wrap it. So we're done with that, and right now we're just going to apply some hair mousse to the hair. This is my favorite part of making hair, when I get to apply the hair mousse and just rub it into the client's hair. The feeling is just so satisfying, and I don't know why, if I'm the only one that likes this part of making hair, applying the hair mousse. So I'm just going to apply the hair mousse. Then I'm going to apply my oil sheen. I'm going to spray it all over the hair to give the hair some moisture and to give it that shine, which it doesn't really need because that hair looks already very good. But just to give it that shine, I'm going to apply it. And this is what the hair looks like when we are done. Yeah, it looks really beautiful. And God, can you see that hair, the way it's bouncing? Trust me, if you do it exactly the way I showed you in this video, your hair is going to come out looking this good. It's going to come out looking this fine, and your clients will love it. Well, thank you for watching my video. And if you want to see more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And if there's any tutorial you would like me to make for you, you can drop it in the comment section. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Love you guys.